guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you have read from the title, today I'm going to be showing you how to make barbecue baked chicken. So I've went ahead and I have pre-seasoned my chicken. These are the ingredients that you need for the sauce. You have your ketchup, you have your barbecue sauce, you have your orange juice, you have your browning for color, and of course you need a bowl of some sort so you can mix the sauce in. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Okay, so while I have my oven preheating to 350, I am going to grease my container. I'm going to be using good old country crock. So you don't need a lot, honestly. I am going to scrape the seasoning off of it and then just lay it in there. Now for my favorite part, I'm gonna keep this. We're gonna make the gravy with this. So just put this to the side. We're gonna use the orange juice to give it that tangy taste. Because you know, barbecue sauce is sweet, ketchup is sweet, but you want like a tang. So we're gonna use orange juice. You just need a little bit. You can also use the orange itself, the fruit itself. All you need. All you need. So we're gonna add our ketchup. The barbecue sauce. Almost forgot, I use honey. So I'm gonna add my honey. Browning for color. I'm gonna turn them and then put them back for another 30 minutes. So we have our chicken. Let me just turn them over so you guys can see how they look. So we have our sauce here, chicken. So what we're gonna do, alright, so piece by piece, we're gonna take the chicken, dip it in the sauce. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my gravy. We have the pot with some water in it, and we're gonna let that come to a boil. Okay, so now that the water has come to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and the seasoning that I told you to save, we're gonna go ahead and add the seasoning to the boiling water. We're gonna let that cook down for like 10 minutes. Then we're going to take the seasoning off. We're gonna strain the seasoning off and then add our leftover barbecue sauce from the chicken to the water that's left. You can see that the seasoning is cooking down. Very nice. Okay, so I went ahead and I've taken out the seasoning, majority of the seasoning out of the pot. And now I'm going to add the leftover barbecue sauce that we have. And just add it to. Voila. Alright guys, so there you have it, barbecue baked chicken with a side of mashed potatoes and broccoli, and then we have our gravy over here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with another video.